India Quebec Tower, left turn out, report clear of the zone, wind 260, 12 knots from Old Hotel, clear takeoff runway 24.
Clear for takeoff runway 24, left turn on departure, Alpha India Quebec. Well in traffic, Alpha India Quebec, west of 5 west of the field, joining right, downwind 05, touch and go. Well in traffic, change of plans, Alpha India Quebec will circle the field and join a left base for 23, Welland. Well in traffic, Alpha India Quebec circling the field, descending circuit, altitude, joining left base 23, Welland. Well in traffic, Alpha India Quebec, left downwind 23, touch and go, Welland. Well in traffic, Alpha India Quebec, left base 23, touch and go, Welland. And final looks clear, let's go. No good. Well in traffic, Alpha India Quebec, overshooting, overflying the field, Alpha India Quebec, Welland. Traffic Alpha India Quebec, level 2,500 feet, exit the zone west onto Hamilton, Welland. Missed approach at Welland, but I guarantee you I'm going to nail this landing at Hamilton. No excuses.
Alpha India Quebec Tower, caution possible wake turbulence, winds 290 at 17.22, clear to land runway 24.
Clear to land runway 24, Alpha India Quebec.
Golf Alpha India Quebec, continue down to the end, exit Bravo, contact ground 1216, thanks for the help.
Okay, roger, 1216 for ground all the way at the end, Alpha India Quebec. And Hamilton ground, Alpha India Quebec on Bravo for Jetport.
Golf Alpha India Quebec, Hamilton ground, taxi Delta, your discretion.
Delta, Bravo to Jetport, Alpha India Quebec, thanks.